The most important item you need when rebuilding a classic car. Let's talk about it.
A big fat wallet.
Well, it's not necessarily a big fat wallet. Well, it is true. It is going to cost you a lot of money on a ground up restoration on a 1971 Camaro. But what's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and today I'm going to highlight the one item you will just love having, and that's going to be your assembly book. So getting a factory assembly book is probably one of the smartest things you can do when you start rebuilding a classic vehicle. The biggest reason is even if you're not doing a classic ground up rebuild where everything's factory and everything like that, it's going to pay huge dividends in regards to seeing how molding mounts and bolts and all that stuff, how they go, what kind of connections you need, what sizes of everything you need, how it should be positioned, how it should be run. This book has saved me. I think it's cost me like 30 bucks roughly, and it not only has all of the factory different variations, but in the back it has all the details. So if you had the RS package or anything like that, all those details are highlighted in this book. So as an example, in regards to putting together the whole RS front end compared to what we had before, you can see here I knew exactly what brackets went where, what bolts. Like in some of these instances, bolts went through other brackets and other receivers. It just helped answer a lot of questions we didn't necessarily know the answers to. Same with the upper bumperette brackets and all that stuff. We knew exactly where they mounted and how they mounted, and it just made it so much easier. So one of the other items that I completely forgot about, and it wasn't until I got to look at my book to realize that I was missing it, was the radiator defender brace and all the bolts and pieces that need it. And you can even ask Heath, I think I bought like 6 different bolt packs and all of the bushings and everything that were required for it. And yeah, again, it's just one of those things, like just flip through this book and start looking at what you need, what you have, what you don't have. Get an idea, because I'll tell you what, ordering everything you need in one go will probably save you thousands of dollars in shipping fees alone. And it's just worth the time. Get the book, 30 bucks, and flip through it and start getting an idea of what you need, what you don't have, what you need to get, and make that list and get as least amount of orders as you need possible. But overall, this book has been a massive lifesaver for me. I just, I don't even remember where I ordered it. I'll put a link down below. I have to go look up where I ordered it from. I want to say I got it from Classic Industries. I could be wrong, but I'll put a link down below in the description. Let me know if you guys picked up a book. Did you guys find it as helpful as we have in this journey on our 71? And even if it's not a 71 Camaro, if it's any vehicle, did you find that factory book as helpful as we did? So let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for checking out this video, and until next time, guys, I'll see you on the road.